Alright, this is a Hunter Infiniti 52-inch. It is from the first quarter of 1992, and it is in gunmetal finish. It's a very rare finish. It was only made for a year and some change. I only found it in the 1991 catalog, but this one is dated 1992, so obviously they made them for a short time in 1992 before they switched to gloss black. It is a very cool fan, very sleek. I wish they had kept the gunmetal instead of black, but what can we do? The blades are reversible from high gloss black to this faux granite that you see here. I don't particularly like the granite, but I figured I'd put this side down because it's a little more interesting and it might show up better in the video. So we'll go ahead and start it up on low. I picked this up along with another one at Habitat a few weeks ago, and I was quite excited when I found these because these do not show up often, if at all. I don't know if you've seen one show up. On low, it's your typical Hunter low speed, not too slow, not too fast. Alright, we'll kick it up to medium speed. Feeling a nice breeze off of it. And high speed. It does have a bit of a wobble. The blades are slightly warped. It's nothing too bad. It's not a exceptional performer. It is good for, you know, a mid-priced fan, a mid-priced Hunter fan. Could definitely cool a good-sized room. When I got these, they were on two like 3-foot down rods. I would have loved to see the install that these are in, because it would have been pretty cool, I bet. And apparently these have been sitting unused since the 90s. When I got them, they came with a very old Target bag, shopping bag, and an old Western Auto bag, and an old Harris Teeter bag with the old logo on it. So these have been sitting unused for quite some time. But obviously not carefully stored, because there was some scratches and the edges of the blades were all scratched up. Oh well. Shut it off. And that's all, folks. That was the gunmetal Hunter Infiniti. Hope you enjoyed the video.